Hey guys, Jordan from Wheeling, BC here. So, we got a quick little upgrade you can do to your tracker Suzuki if you don't have them. I'll show you guys here what I just did, and I'll hopefully be able to set up my phone to show you guys the process and how I did it with the next seat. So this is the driver's side front seat, as you can see, gone. And I've installed this tray system. Just slides in up and down, locks in place, a little tab, and all it is you got 4 screws. Oh, let's see what it focuses. There and there. So this is the front. So this here is this section. So you just drilled the hole there, there, and then 2 more, and screwed it in. So I'll see if I can get the other one filmed for you guys. It's nothing exciting. It's just drilling 4 holes, hold the tray up, mark it, and punch some holes in. Alright, so these are the tools you'll need to do this. So you got a screwdriver for the tray mount, a punch just to mark or a paint pen, a pick to pop your covers off if you have them on your seat rails, the drill, and a drill bit. And you don't need very much for these. The torque spec, I believe, is 40 foot-pounds. I mean, you see I got my torque bar there, so it's not very much. You can do these by hand. I just got the impact, so I figured why not? Use what you got, right? So I'll show you guys under the driver's seat now, because I got that installed. So it just sits just like that, opposed to here. I'll show you guys this one once it's in. I currently, you can see I got a bunch of junk down here. I have winch controller, code reader, winch controller wiring, and some napkins. So I'll show you guys that now, and I'll show you guys that in a minute once the tray's in. Alright, so I'm looking around. I cannot seem to find anything to hold my phone up for you guys. So this is the bottom of my seat. So right here and here, those are going to be your drilling points. On a Suzuki, these should already be pre-drilled out. But because we have a tracker, we're not that lucky. But like I said, it is a simple fix. See if I can maybe hold the drill up for a minute. You guys can get the bottom there, it looks like. So you'll get the idea of what we're doing. Just gotta line it up to where it needs to be. For me, I'm just taking the paint pen and I'm just gonna mark the seat. If the paint pen wants to work today. There we go, a little dab there, dab there. Quick one there. Another one right there. So as you can see through here, as it moves now, move that then. So you see that marks. And I'm just gonna drill that out, so just bear with me. See if I can do it with one hand for you guys. We got 1. 2. 3. one somewhere out of the way. So just like that. Got 4 holes. So the reason I haven't told you guys the size on the drill bit is it all depends on what size bolt you end up using. I was lucky enough and I got the actual hardware for it. So that's just little screws like that for your door panels, you know, all those small interior screws, your radio, I believe they're all the same. That's what they actually use to mount in. So I got lucky and was able to get those with them. I did buy these used off someone parting out a car. Like I said, I find this is one of the best mods you can do. Quick, easy, cheap, and so useful. Put your first aid kit in there, your winch controllers, everything. Simple, easy, cheap, quick. You need a 14 mil socket for your seats, a pick to undo the seatbelt plug for the driver, a flat pry bar, like I said right here, works as well for that. This will also get your caps off for your bolts if you have them. I do not. A screwdriver to put those screws in, and the drill, and that is it. Simple. Most stuff everyone has at home. If not, you can do without it. A flat screwdriver work for a lot of that stuff. So let's see if I can get this screwed in now with you guys. All right, so a little technical difficulties. I didn't press record. I was fighting with the phone the whole time and it didn't even press record. So I'll show you guys now how it looks. So that's all screwed in there like that. And then, like I said, we have the little latch here. That's what holds the tray in, plus these little channels. And it's literally just slide it in. I'm gonna lift the handle and give it a little bit of a push, and there we go. And just like that, that's what locks it in place. So that's how it looks. Let's put it in. And I did lie to you guys a little while ago. It is 47 foot-pounds for the torque spec. I did look it up. So 47 foot-pounds. Again, not terrible. You could probably do that by hand. If you need a little more, get a bigger breaker bar or get a wrench on a ratchet. It is doable. Honestly, good and tight will do. Just don't overdo it. Tighten with this one bolt here, guys. Hold on a second. There we go, get that started. So I've got my impact here sitting on setting 2. Got a little bit of a buzz. Doesn't need too much again. 47 foot-pounds isn't a lot. There we go. Just want to make sure it's tight, right? I'd rather do the snug down with the torque wrench here. Get that on. Just like that. That one's tight. I gotta go find an extension here, I think. Maybe. Nope. Let's move over. Sorry, that one could have gone a little tighter, I guess. Alright. I'm not playing that game. Come on. Back on the impact we go. Tighten that one up. and I probably should have cleaned up a bit, but be honest, the way I am with this car, I'm going to be cleaning it out in a few weeks. Probably pull the seats back out, give it a good vacuum and detail. So let's see. All right. That one's torqued. That one's torqued. And I do apologize, guys, for the upside down footage that's going to be coming. Apparently that last clip, I don't know how to film. Things are upside down and sideways, and just the camera didn't want to rotate. I'm trying to get you guys a good shot here. There, we can try that. I just get it started by hand, thread it in loosely. Grab that socket off the right impact, or off the torque bar. Put it on the impact. Snug it up. Just like that, 47 foot-pounds. Again, I am so sorry, guys, about this footage. I'm trying to make do. It's just me at home right now, so everything's gonna be upside down and backwards. But you guys are getting the idea, and it's a simple 5-minute job per side. Yeah, that's another thing. If you can see it there, did the 14 mil. I've painted that in the past here. Just a paint pen, wipe it off. And I gotta redo these ones, but nice little hack. You can actually see what you're grabbing a lot easier. Like that. Back to the there we go, 47 foot-pounds. Put that back on the rat impact. That's where the main use is going to be here. Alright, so now that that's all in, this is the shot. I'll see if I can cut and put a picture side by side here so you can see it. That's it. You reach in, you pull your tray out. I mean, like I said, quick, easy little mod. So for me, right away when I'm doing, putting the winch controller and cable in there, tucked away, clean, tidy. Nothing's gonna get damaged. That way nothing's gonna be damaged. It is all good, safe. I can put the code reader in there. It all fits perfect, lots of space. So I hope you guys found this quick little DIY video helpful. You find these trays in XL7s and Grand Viteras. Not Trackers and not Viteras normally, unless someone's already swapped them in. So another little thing I'm doing is I picked up this cargo cover, and this is how it needs to be. So you need to have a hole like this and this little channel. Trackers look like that. That's easy fix. It's just these two pieces right here, and they just unscrew. I'll put the screws back in right there, and they're just hold panels in. So you just unscrew those and they pop right out, and then you pop in your cover there, and that's it. I'll show you guys here in a minute. 30 seconds later, that's how it looks. Just like that. So now, what you have to do, just flip this panel over a little bit, is that is the top there. So you gotta line that up there, just like that, and push it in, push it in. That is installed. This one, just pull it out. So you get in that little channel there. That's it. Like that. So now you got a cargo cover. There's supposed to be a piece right here. Got them right there. You can screw those in there, and then that little piece will hook onto it. I'm not too worried about that. I'm not gonna use that. If anything, I will shove it in the headrest. Boom, done, right? Simple, easy. Yeah, that will just help protect your stuff. I mean, I'll show you guys. My back window's not tinted. And this one is, but oh, can't even see in that window. I like that. So yeah, just keeps everything a little more tucked away. I'm gonna let that one just hang there. I don't have the seat cushion in because of my quick removal seats. So yeah. Cargo cover installed. I hope you guys enjoyed the update in this video of the secondary project. Like a simple, quick, cheap. These covers range depending on the style. This one's usually about $200, I think, but you can pick them up for 20 bucks or whatever. So there's also a cloth fabric one, which is what the tracker's designed for. See if I find a picture of those. Simple, again, simple, easy, cheap. Yeah, so enjoy, stay safe, subscribe.